Welcome to our video on how to earn money from Google. Let's get started. Google offers various ways to make money online. Stay tuned to learn more. One popular method is through Google AdSense. It allows you to monetize your website or blog. Another way is by becoming a YouTube content creator. You can earn revenue from ads displayed on your videos. Google Opinion Rewards is a mobile app that rewards you for completing surveys. It's an easy way to earn some extra cash. Google Play Store also offers opportunities to make money by selling apps, games, or in-app purchases. Google AdWords allows you to advertise your business and reach a wider audience, potentially increasing your revenue. Blogger is a free platform by Google where you can create and monetize your own blog. Google AdMob is a mobile advertising platform that helps app developers earn money by displaying ads in their apps. In conclusion, Google provides various opportunities to earn money online. Explore these options and start making money today.